Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy Louise. I am a published fashion designer and stylist and also a lymphedema awareness advocate. And today I'm going to be doing a unboxing, review, and try on for the shoe company called Pandier Shoes. Pandier Shoes creates footwear for people who just, may need a great summer shoe that is adjustable, that is accommodating for conditions like mine. So what I mean by that is Pandier Shoes creates footwear that is expandable but stylish. I have always loathed the summer months due to not being able to wear the cutest shoes, to not feel put together, to also just being stuck in sneakers throughout the entire season. And with Pandier Shoes, I don't have to do that anymore. So I wanted to get into the first pair, which is called the Conga Slide. And I love this shoe. I have been wearing it already. And I want to get into why this shoe really has saved summer for me when it comes to getting dressed. So let's get into it. This is how your shoes will arrive. They'll come to you in this box, and the box contains the pair of shoes, tissue paper, and inserts to keep the form of the shoe. So this is the Conga Slide, and it is literally the cutest, most minimal style of shoe that you can have. It is my go-to shoe when I am running out the door. And for the summertime, that used to be a flip-flop. If you know, you know. Gone are the days where I'm wearing those, Old Navy flip-flops everywhere. I love that I can have a shoe like this. It features a really sleek and soft suede design. There's a contrasting gray stitching, which I think really creates a, cool, sleek style for the summer. And also it has what ranges from 1 inch to 3 and to 2 inches of a platform. It's, it's not a flat shoe. I don't know if you guys even notice, but your feet can really start to hurt in, a flip-flop style of shoe, whether it's platform or not. Your feet can start to hurt after a while. So I love that these are comfortable. Then there's really strong Velcro here. And for someone who is in compression socks, compression stockings, bandages, that is important. You want to make sure that that Velcro is strong, meaning you're not walking somewhere and you're literally walking out of your shoe. So I love that about these. And I'll be sure to insert a video of me in these shoes, trying them on, and just really showing you guys why you may need these for the summer months. Last but not least, I want to talk about the Tango Slides. Now, these are really cool. They're really funky and they're fun, but also they have a special feature that is so necessary for people with my condition. So just like the Conga Slides, the Tango Slides will come in a box, tissue paper, forms to keep the shape of the shoe, as I mentioned before. How fun are these? So what I love about these is this bungee cord design that really makes the shoe super expandable. As you can see here, look at that. So you can imagine if you're stuck in a cast for the summer, if you are, like me, experience excessive swelling during the summer months just off of it being hot, or if you just require a little bit more room in your shoes, you're gonna really enjoy this. It's a soft sole here. I don't know if you can see. Like, that's a super soft sole. There's a slight platform. Once again, that sort of arching here is great. You do not want to be in a flat shoe regardless, but if you have lymphedema and you're going to be on your feet, you're going to be moving around. Let's say if you're going to the beach or you're just out, for a walk, you're going to want a shoe that is comfortable like this. And I know the snake print design is really fun and just really adorable for a shoe like this. So yeah, I can already see a really cute denim overall look with these. Definitely wearing denim with these because they are the focal point. And I just really am excited that I have shoes for the summer now, and I don't have to feel like, one, I have to hide myself because there's nothing for me to wear, but also I'm not hurting myself either, because I've been there where I've worn shoes that were uncomfortable for the sake of style. Gone are those days. I want to be comfortable and stylish. There is a way to mesh the two, and Pandier has done that perfectly. If you guys want to know more about Pandier, I will link their information below, as well as the links to these shoes along with pricing. This video is not sponsored, but I have really been enjoying these shoes, and I wanted to make sure that I shared that with my Lymphy community so that you guys are aware of the options out there when it comes to footwear. You guys know I have a video from a while back about how I would adjust my shoes for my wedding, for every day, anything. I take them to a shoemaker. I have shoes, high-heeled sandals that I adjusted earlier this spring season. You don't have to adjust these. These are good to go, and these are good everyday shoes. So you guys, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell so that you don't miss a video from me. And make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Joy Louise Hall, also on TikTok and on Pinterest, in case you want to catch any other style tips and videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.